Okay, good morning, secondary students. Okay, today the topic is derivatives of composite functions. Derivatives of composite functions. Yesterday, already discussed yesterday formulas, derivative formulas, differentiability definition, derivative formulas, derivative of x power n, n into x power n minus 1. Okay. And some examples: sin ax plus b, tan ax plus b. Some more examples. Okay, if you are already complete the work, yesterday work, then today class is very easy to understand. Today class. Okay, derivatives of composite functions. Sorry, exercise 5.2. First one. In exercise, first of all, the given function is sin of x square plus 5. Sin of x square plus 5. Is sin of x square plus 5 the given function or any function, given function? Okay, first of all, take y is equal to sin of x square plus 5o. Y is equal to sin of x square plus 5o. The given any function, take it y or u, v or any function. First of all, y is best. F of x is equal to y. If function is always denoted by f of x, the f of x is taken as y. Okay, y. Now here differentiation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x means y and x with respect to x means x. The given function is y, means y. Both are not a constants. These two are not constants. Remaining all are constants. So y. Derivative of y. The definition, yesterday definition, derivative of y is denoted by y dash or dy by dx or capital D. Okay, so anything. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative y dash or dy by dx. So this is the formula. Which function? Sin. Derivative with respect to x means dy dx of dy dx of y and equal to dy dx of sin of x square plus 5o. First, step 1. Step 1, the given function is which formula? Which formula type? First is sine function, sine square or also sine function. First sine is totally x. Any x is not only x. Any x square, x cube, sine, cos, any function. X is a variable. Okay, x is not a constant and permanent. Same. Any. So d by dx of sin x. What is the formula of, for example, x square plus y taken x. So d by dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x. D by dx means what? D by dx. D by dx of sin x is equal to what? Cos x. Cos. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Cos x means what? X means not x. X means x square plus y. Okay, observe the problem. Okay, here x is equal to what? X square plus 5. Okay, not complete the problem. Only sign differentiation is completed. Sign differentiation is completed. Next, x differentiation into d by dx of x square plus 5. First sin derivative, next x derivative 2 times. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. X means x square plus 5 into derivative of x. X means x square plus 5. Enough. Next, cos of same as it is up to last. Cos of x square plus 5 is equal to derivative of x square plus 5. Derivative of x square plus 5, derivative of u plus v. Derivative of u plus v. Derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of x square plus derivative of 5. Derivative of x square plus derivative of 5. That is equal to same as it is cos of x square plus 5. Derivative of x square. Derivative of x square. The formula is applied by the formula x square. The derivative applied by the formula derivative x power n. Derivative of x power n. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. Derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Derivative of 5. Derivative of 5 means derivative 5 means constant. Derivative of constant is equal to 0. D by dx of x square is equal to 2x. Okay. So finally, dy by dx is equal to 2x into cos of x square plus 5. This is the answer. If you want this problem, then you will take snap ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, y is equal to cos of sin x. Y is equal to cos of sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos of sin x, not cos of sin x. First of all, which formula we have to apply? Cos x formula. This is the x. Cos x formula. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin. X means what? Sin x. X means sin x. So once again, d by dx of x. X means what? Sin x. So that is equal to minus sin of sin x into derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Direct formula. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Up to derivative x means x. But for example, derivative of cos x. X means what? Sin x. X means not x. Once again, next, derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x means sin x. Here x is equal to x. X means x. Okay. The derivative up to x. Derivative of sin x, cos x. Again, x derivative 1. 1 is not no problem. Okay. X అనేది x అనే వరకు. Look at this. Next, y is equal to sine of ax plus b, already discussed in previous class directed. Next 4-1, y is equal to secant tan root x, secant tan root x. Differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx. Okay, next, this is which function? Secant function. Secant of, this is our total x, secant x. Derivative of secant x, derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Secant x means what? Tan root x. Secant of tan root x into secant x into tan x. Tan of tan root x. So secant derivative completed. Into again derivative of x. What is x? Tan root x. Derivative of x, tan root x. So that is equal to secant to tan root x into tan of tan root x, derivative of tan x, derivative of tan x, d by dx of tan x, d by dx of tan x is equal to what? Secant square x. D by dx of tan x is equal to secant square. Here x is what? X is root x. Tan x derivative secant square root x. Tan root x derivative secant square root x. Are you completed the problem? Completed the problem? Not complete, because x is not x. X is root x. Again derivative d by dx of root x. So dy by dx is equal to secant of tan root x, tan of tan root x, secant square root x, derivative of root x. Derivative of root x means x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2, which formula? X power n formula. Derivative of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. So direct formula, derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Next, fifth problem. Next, eighth one. Y is equal to cos root x. Y is equal to cos root x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. Derivative of cos x. D by dx of cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin root x. So problem is not completed, not complete, because root x, derivative of root x into d by dx of root x. d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. So minus sin root x into derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. This is the problem. Next, seventh one, 2 into y is equal to 2 into root of cot x square. 2 into root of cot x square. So, 2 constant, differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx, 2 same as it is. First root x, derivative of root x, d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Root x 1 by 2 root x. First root complete. First we have remove the root. First step, remove the root. Next step, remove the cot. The root x derivative, cot x derivative, finally x square derivative. 3 times. Okay, 3 times derivative. First root x derivative 1 by 2 root x into d by dx of x. X means what? Cot x square. X means cot x square. 2 cancel. That is equal to 1 by root of cot x square. First, next cot x. X means what? X square. Derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Minus cosecant square x. And again derivative of x square. And derivative of x square. So that is equal to minus cosecant square x square by root of cot x square into derivative of x square is equal to 2x. First remove the root x. Remove the root x means apply the derivative of root x. Next cot, remove the cot. Next x square. sin ax plus b by cos cx plus d. Apply the u by v formula. Direct u one function by another function, u by v formula. Next, simplify without how to calculate without u by v formula. Without u by v formula. So sin ax plus u by v formula, or the u by v procedure, or this procedure. Both are same procedure. And this is simplification. Sin of ax plus b. 1 by cos is equal to 1 by cos is equal to secant. Secant cx plus d. This is u, this is v. What is the u by u into v formula? Dy dx of u into v is equal to u into v dash. U same, and derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Each term only single derivative. Any function alternately single derivative. You have to select any function. U by v formula. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, dy by dx is equal to first u into sin of ax plus b into v dash. V dash means derivative of v. Derivative of v means derivative of secant cx plus d plus v into secant cx plus d into u dash d by dx of sin of ax plus b. So that is equal to sin ax plus b integral secant derivative of secant x. Derivative of secant x into tan x. So secant of cx plus d into tan of cx plus d. Complete? Are you complete? Not complete. Again derivative of cx plus d. D by dx of cx plus d. The first one is completed. Plus secant cx plus d into derivative of sin of ax plus b. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Cos x into again derivative of x. X means ax plus b. So that is equal to sin ax plus b secant cx plus d tan cx plus d. Derivative of cx plus d. Derivative of d. D is a constant. 0. Derivative of k into u. K is a constant. C into x derivative. Derivative of x 1. So 1 c into 1. C plus secant of cx plus d cos of ax plus b into a. This is the problem number 5. Okay. Next, sixth problem. Cos x cube into sin square x power 5. Cos x cube into sin square x power 5. U into v formula. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y dy by dx. So here, what is u? Cos x cube. What is v? Sin square x power 5. E sin square x power 5 means sin square x power means sin x power 5 whole square. So dy by dx is equal to u into cos x cube, u into v formula, u into v dash. V dash means dy by dx of sin x power 5 whole square plus sin v into sin x power 5 whole square into d by dx of cos x cube, that is equal to cos x cube. First of all, not a sine function, first of all whole square. This is the sine function, secant function. This is not a sine function. First of all, square, totally square. Totally square means x square. Derivative of x square, 2x. 2 into x sin x power 5, x square. These are sin x power 5 is taken x. X square derivative 2x into derivative of x. Derivative of x power 5. Next, second one, sin x power 5 whole square v into u dash. This is the cos function because there is no whole square, whole cube, power, only single. Cos x, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x into derivative of what is the x in the function cos x cube? X cube is x. So that is equal to cos x cube into 2 sin x power 5. Derivative of x power 5 by the formula, x power n formula. Derivative of x power 5 is equal to 4x, 5x power 4, n into x power n minus 1. 5 into x power 5 minus 1 plus minus into plus minus sin x power 5 whole square into sin x cube equal to derivative of x cube 3x square. This one common, sin x power 5 common, enough, but the simplification is sin x power 5 common. Okay. x square derivative 2x into d by dx of x means what? Sin x power 5. So cos x cube 2 sin x power 5, sin x power 5, derivative of sin x power 5, cos x power 5 into d by dx of x power 5. So finally derivative of x power 5 is equal to four x cube. So cos x cube 2 sin x power 5 cos x power 5 derivative of sin x 5 x power 4 minus 3x square into sin x power 5 whole square into sin x cube. Okay. Homework. First one is 2x plus 1 whole cube sin x square tan 2x plus 3 sin of cos x square these are homework. Okay, thank you. I will continue next tomorrow.